We are pleased to show you the 2024 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.